So let's look at this problem here about this birthday party. So here we've got some information about who attends: Tessa, Nick, Val, and Zack. Everybody brought a gift. We've got a kite, a doll, a board game, and a basketball. And after the party, everybody went home with a different colored balloon: red, blue, green, or orange. And what we need to do is use these clues here at the bottom to figure out who brought what and what color balloon they went home with. Now, the heuristic I'm going to use here is I'm going to put the given information into a table, a charter table. So, let me zoom out a little bit here so we can see everything. Alright, so I'm going to use one of these tables. If you've seen one of these before, then you're possibly using the heuristic of relate to a similar problem. I'm going to put the names here. I'm going to put the gifts right here. We have a kite, doll, board game, and basketball. And then I'm going to put the color balloons here. Red, blue, it's pretty bad, red, green, and orange. I'm also going to put the colors down here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at each clue and see what it allows me to fill in on my chart. So, let's look at this first clue. Tessa went home with a blue balloon. That means that Tessa and blue go together. That also means that Tessa didn't go home with a red, green, or orange balloon, and no one else could have gone home with a blue balloon because Tessa did. Alright, let's look at our second clue. Nick brought the basketball, but did not go home with a red or green balloon. Okay, so Nick brought the basketball, so he didn't bring anything else, and no one else brought the basketball. And it also says Nick did not go home with a red or a green balloon. So Nick is not red, and Nick is not green. Notice here, if Nick didn't go home with any of these three colors, he must have gone home with this orange balloon. So Nick and the orange balloon go together. And also, the basketball and the orange balloon go together. So I'm going to come down here and put the basketball and the orange balloon together, because we know that's all Nick. Okay, the person who brought the kite as a gift went home with a red balloon. So we know that kite and red go together. So kite and red. Okay. Val brought the doll as a gift. So for Val, we've got doll. So no one else brought the doll. And she didn't bring anything else. Great. Perfect. Now, at this point, you might feel like you're stuck. Like, all these things could go different places. We're not sure. But actually, we're not stuck, because if we look back up here, the person who brought the kite for a gift went home with a red balloon. That means that either Tessa or Zack went home with a red balloon, because those are the only two people who could have brought a kite, but Tessa can't go home with a red balloon. She's already going home with a blue. So we know, in fact, that Zack is the kite and Zack is the red balloon. Now, that leaves over here the only color balloon Val could bring home is green. And we can transfer this information down. Let's see, Val, green balloon, so down here, doll goes with green. That means the board game goes with blue, and also Tessa brought the board game. So, to summarize up what's in that table, we've got Tessa with the board game, and she was the blue balloon. We've got Nick. He had the basketball. And he had the orange balloon. We've got Val. She was the doll. And she had the green balloon. And finally, Zack was the kite, and he got the red balloon. Okay, so here is listing the given information in an organized table, and then working through that to eliminate those other possibilities.